Welcome to today's Ogoni class. In today's class, I'm going to teach you names of domestic animals in Ogoni and their meaning. So let's dive into the main business of today. Here we have number 1, goat, which is pay. Number 2, we have chicken, which is corn. We have pay top, and we have nana pay. Here we have corn, we have konbeke, and we also have konkana. Here we have book, here is konkana, here is kuru. We also have kuruma, we also have kuru beke. Here we have nu top, here we have bedere, and here we have bere. We also have here bemakuku, and we have enyanya. Yes, so let's come back to the English names of these animals. Here we have goat. We have goat. Goat is called pay. Goat is called pay. We have two types of goats. One is the pay top, and we have pay. We have nana pay as well. That is sheep. Nana pay is called sheep. Nana pay is called sheep. Then goat is called pay. We also have pay top. Here we have chicken, which is called corn in Ogoni language. Chicken is called corn in Ogoni language. We have konbeke, which is dog fowl. Konbeke is called dog fowl. Dog fowl is called konbeke in Ogoni. Konbeke is called dog fowl. Here we have dog, which is bo. Dog is called bo. Dog in Ogoni is called bo. Here we have rat. We have rat, which is nu. We have rat, which is nu. We have rat, which is nu. We have hamster. Hamster is nu beke. Hamster is nu beke. Hamster is nu beke. Nu beke is called hamster, while nu is called nu top. Nu top. Then here we have vulture, which is bedere. Vulture is called bedere. I don't know if people are getting it right, but vulture is called bedere. It's called vulture. Bedere is called vulture. Here we have lizard, which is bere. Bere is called lizard. Bere is called lizard. Here we have dove, which is called bemakuku in Ogoni language. Dove is called bemakuku. Dove is called bemakuku in Ogoni language. Here we have horse, which is called enyanya. Horse is called enyanya. Horse is called enyanya. We have two types of horse. Here is donkey. Donkey. Enyanya torato is called donkey. Enyanya torato is called donkey. Enyanya torato is called donkey. Enyanya terate is called horse. 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 Donkey. Enyanya torato. Donkey. Enyanya torato. Then let's come to this place. We have pina and pinazum. If you don't understand, you can drop it at the comment section. I will still re-emphasize on it. Goat, pay, chicken, corn, dog, bo, rat, no to, hamster, no beke, vulture, bedere, lizard, beri, dove, bemakuku, horse, enyanya, donkey, enyanya terate, horse, enyanya torato, nana pe, sheep, konbeke, dog fowl, konbeke, dog fowl. Here we have pina, which is cricket. Pinazum is also cricket, but just that this one live in the house. Thank you very much for your time. If this is the first time on my channel, please do well to like, share and subscribe. This is my only way of promoting the Ogoni culture. You can as well share this video to as many as you can do. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your time, the time you spend on my channel. Thank you so much.